Not dead. It's just a cut. God dang.
I won't make you turn away. So come with me and never look back. After all that we've been through, you are still by my side, and I'm grateful you're there. And I love you. You're my best friend, and I want you to know I care. So tell me you'll be right here with me. Hearing your voice is like hearing an angel sing through in between. You're the one I want and the one I need, and I know that So this is how we planned it, knowing that we won't be.
Oh my god, I didn't tell you guys. My mom fell off a ladder, right?
Oh my.
And she really hurt her arm, and like the entire of her underarm was like black, like with a bruise, and she had like some deep cut on it, and you know like your skin that touches like your side or something, it's thinner. And now I was like looking at it, I was like, I'll just pour vinegar on it, right? And I'm like, I poured that shit on. She's been screaming, and she's mad at me. So we don't fall off ladders.
Etsy, confirm your account. Etsy purchase.
She
My
said
capital, my Capital One telling me that I spent money. Yeah, I know. Money.
He was go away. Hi. Oh, uh, he's they're all green. Huh? The
谢
what?
谢天地一片长毛。
I thought you said he was Spanish.
Mm.
I'm so confused. Spanish. But look, me speak Spanish right there.
Oh, oh, you speak Spanish?
No, so you can't or you can? I don't know.
I remember I was trying to like Bro, I would dead kick you if you don't stick to one fucking language, bro. No, you can't speak. It's just speak Spanish then.
Yeah, speak Spanish. We have people here who can speak
So
Spanish
you speak
fluently.
Spanish and Chinese, but no English. Chinese is hard.
Mandarin is very hard, yeah. When I was studying it, but I would take naps in that lesson. That was my nap lesson. Hurt my brain so much. I still remember how to write person.
Oh, you rate it. Rate it.
What, write person?
Yeah.
She said 田地一片.
He's repeating the same shit.
Like Spanish.
Find it hard to breathe. I'm my own worst enemy. Can we turn back the time? These conversations, I'm reminiscing on the thought of you. Yeah, the thought of you. These feelings won't catch, just fade away. I need them to fade away. Yeah, this fake heartbreak. Oh, left to right with you, always on my.
My parents.
You're not supposed to have boys over.
I think that's the least of our concerns.
Yeah, but I should probably still get going. Hey, listen.
I'll go.
With me?
Yes, if the Warrens don't kill me first. We tell them everything.
In your bio, are you gonna put my new account in your bio?
Hell yeah.
Cause I'm keeping this. I'm keeping this one. So.
Oh my god, Colonel Sanders looks.
Green, if you make any sludgy ass, annoying ass noises, you're getting out. Cause literally people just do that. They join and they make stupid ass noises. But that's alright, cause me and Vanny, we're just making noises.
For real, but fucking Colonel Sanders feels real. Like I will
hurt
him with
you.
my thighs. Like I will become a fucking sack.
You're just gonna slap him against his
Hurt
teeth.
him.
Clap.
Like what the fuck?
Vanny, what are you doing?
What am I doing? What?
What are you doing?
What am I doing?
Well, I think maybe it was go away, cause I think I just heard a noise, like someone was moving around or something.
That was a go away.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh no, the
Seriously,
FBI is here.
The FBI, holy shit, we have to delete Colonel Sanders. Hold on. He left.